अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुह। आज हम बनाने जा रहे हैं एक चिकन टिक्का मिक्स which can be used for rotis, rolls, wraps and for shawarma as well. So do try it out and let me know in the comment section. So चलो शुरू करते हैं। चिकन को पहले मैरिनेट कर लेते हैं। I have taken 500 grams of boneless chicken. इसमें 1 कप कर्ड, 1 tablespoon garlic paste, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon chilli powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon chili flakes, a pinch of red color, 1 teaspoon cumin powder और juice of 1 lemon. सब ऐड करके अच्छे से मिक्स करके मैरिनेट कीजिए for at least half an hour. If possible, you can keep it overnight in the refrigerator. I forgot to mention that I've added half a tablespoon of ginger paste as well. So do add ginger paste before mixing. Cover and let it marinate. Once the chicken has been marinated, heat a pan, add 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil becomes hot, layer the chicken in the pan. Stir on high flame for at least 5 minutes. Lower the flame, cover and cook till the chicken is done. Don't forget to stir in between. Let's check. It's now 10 minutes. The chicken is nicely cooked, but there's still a lot of masala left. So leave it open on high flame for another 10 minutes. Keep stirring in between till the masala is dry. We need it to act as a mix for rolls, for shawarma, wraps, rotis, fulkas, etc. The chicken masala is nice and dry now. Make a space on the center. Keep a small steel bowl or a bowl made with aluminum foil. Keep a burning coal and add a teaspoon of ghee over it. Cover with the lid and seal the hole with a clove. Switch off the flame and let it rest for 10 minutes. Chicken tikka mix is now ready. Do try it out. Use it as a mix for rolls, shawarma, wraps, with rotis and fulkas as well. Do like, share and subscribe. Ingredients as always mentioned in the description box. Thank you for watching.